Smartphone is really crucial gadget for us. Without the smartphone, we get bored easily. It is indispensable as like part of our life. After evolution of lots of tech company, every month new and new smartphones are evolving with little bit modification and improvement. They create lots of hype and advertising to sell that phone. They manufacture new and new smartphone every month, like skyrocketing speed. So, should you need to change your phone every year or not? So, to know it, watch the full video till the end. There is lots of competition going between companies to manufacture the smartphone. They are trying to get extra attention, providing some additional feature and luring us to compel to buy. We have misconception. If we buy one smartphone, after 3 months, new model came and we feel our phone is outdated. The smartphone company are doing brainwash to us. In fact, you can use a smartphone for at least 2 years, and even you can use up to 3 if you are a good user. You can use it for scrolling through social media, some creative work like photo editing, playing games, and so on. Smartphone has capacity at last for the 2 years. In actual, we don't need to upgrade phone every year. If your phone has already some issue like battery backup is really low, phone get hang, out of software updates, or can't get good performance even using for the minor talks, then it's a time for your upgrading. In fact, till now, I'm using the iPhone old model, which is my primary device, and it is working really well. Smartphone is one of the fastest depreciable things. Its value get depreciated quickly. I have seen lots of people buying new and new smartphone every 6 months in installment. This is kind of really stupid. It make you fall in debt and your life will end in paying the phone plans. Just collect a few money and wait after when you are enough, then you can buy. Rather than buying smartphone every 6 months, it is wise to invest in somewhere which give you profit as outcome. If you are a tech geek, needed to experiment in phone or tech review and have enough money, then you can buy everything, no problem. Lots of people buy brand new flagship phone after every launch just for the brand image and so superior along maintaining the so-called position, which is really kind of poor mindset. It is sad to hear, but it's fact. Even the students buy the flagship phone immediately one after another launch, which is twice time bigger than their earning in different plans. So just to maintain the brand, if you can't buy phone in full payment, then that smartphone is not for you. You should not waste your money. You should be wise with it. Just collect more until you are sufficient to buy, because it is depreciating assets. Its value is the same. After 6 months, again new phone will come, and you will again go for the plan. That's not good thing. If your phone has some hardware issue, you can repair it rather than buying new phone. At least you can use it for 2 years. After still it's fine, then that's great. You should not get influenced by the smartphone company brainwashing advertising. You will better know, what's time for your upgrading. And so that's for today. I hope you like this video. Subscribe this channel, hit like button. If you have any question, you can just comment down in below. So see you in next video.